Deep cleaning on NVision N2455 Pro 23.8-inch all-in-one PC. Thank you, Ma'am Mary, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Deep cleaning the NVision N2455 Pro 23.8-inch all-in-one PC is a vital maintenance procedure that ensures the system operates at peak performance and remains protected against potential hardware issues. As an all-in-one unit that integrates display and components in a compact form, this PC is prone to dust buildup in its internal cooling systems, vents, and ports, which can obstruct airflow, increase internal temperatures, and degrade overall system efficiency. The deep cleaning process involves carefully opening the unit to access and remove dust from internal components, such as the fan, CPU, memory modules, and heat sink using anti-static tools and compressed air. External cleaning of the screen, USB ports, ventilation grills, and casing is also performed to maintain a hygienic and presentable appearance. This thorough cleaning not only is cooling performance and prevents overheating, but also extends the lifespan of the device and ensures smooth, stable operation. It is recommended that this process be conducted by professionals to ensure safe handling of delicate internal parts. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your deep cleaning too. Follow the page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.